Okay, another project or a couple of projects I made using the Here Comes Easter 12 by 12 paper collection from Cartabella. I picked this up in a warehouse sale. It's got 12 double-sided sheets. I already made a Easter shaped little mini album, and I had a little bit of scraps left over, so let me show you what I made. So I made these cute little, are they mini albums or are they treat boxes? They're both. I watched a tutorial by Pink Strawberries, and she made these and added some candy to them. I have not gone out and gotten the candy because if I did, I would eat it. So I have to wait till right before I give it away. Let me show you one by one. So they measure about 3 by 3. You use a 11.5 by 3.5 inch piece of cardstock and 4 7/8 by 5 to make the drawer. And then this opens like that. So you could give this away. I would put like a little piece of seam binding or something so people sort of know you open it, because otherwise they might not know. But anyhow, there's a little pocket here. Actually, I made pocket and a little belly band, so you can add like a little card or something in there. And then there is a little drawer that you could put little treats. So I have a couple of ideas what I'm going to use this for. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to make some shakers, and I'm going to get some washi tape that I have that matches some Easter collections, springy colors. And I'm going to stamp some Happy Easter and Happy Spring sentiments and give that to a friend so they can make some spring and Easter cards. So that is for the card maker. I also am going to make some with candy. So this one I just put a sticker, I fussy cut. I put it on a piece of coordinating cardstock and fussy cut around it. I fussy cut around one of the bunnies and the eggs. And inside, so yeah, I added a couple of extra little snippets that I still want to fussy cut. I just figured I'd put it in here and keep it there for safekeeping. This one I had this cute, adorable bunny ribbon. Can you see it? It's hard to see, but I had that in my stash and made that. To add the ribbon, I just made 2 holes in the paper, not the cardstock, and then glued and taped it in the back, and then glued that onto the drawer. And then here is the little opening. So this one is just a pocket. It says, wishing you the best Easter ever. And then I fussy cut a couple elements from the collection and then made a little tag to put there. So I'll write something and put some twine on the tag and include that. This one I popped up a couple of things. So that says, hello friend. I added this sticker onto some cardstock, popped that up, popped up this little rabbit. And so that'll open like that. And again, a pocket. And this will open like that. So I can just write Happy Easter, Happy Spring, whatever you want to write. It says Bunny Acres. Isn't that cute? And then, yeah, here I'll probably add some candy. And do I have any paper? I don't have any paper to match because I was out of paper at this point to wrap around like the candy. But I have paper that will coordinate, and that will work fine. So, cute little boxes. I'm on a roll with these. Again, this came from Pink Strawberries. I'll list the link in the description box so you can go check out her tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.